Number 1.
1962 Volkswagen Beetle, price $8,000. This is a stunning classic car with a clean title and a 1,300 cubic centimeters 12-volt engine. This vehicle has been meticulously maintained and has only traveled 15,000 miles. It features a manual transmission, a striking red exterior, and a sleek black interior, making it a head-turner on the road. Recently refreshed, the Beetle boasts a new coat of paint and brand new upholstery, ensuring the seats and interior are in excellent condition. Additionally, the car is equipped with discs and calipers at the front, enhancing its braking performance. Powered by gasoline, this Beetle captures the essence of vintage charm combined with modern updates.
Number 2.
1969 American Motors Javelin, price $10,000, with its striking orange exterior and black interior, has only 10,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. It is powered by a 343 engine bored out to 30 over, paired with a B&W 3-speed shift command transmission. Upgrades include new fuel lines, brake lines, a master cylinder and booster, MagnaFlow dual exhaust, an electronic fuel pump, and a 15-gallon fuel cell in the trunk. The hood and fenders are from a 1970 Javelin, adding a unique touch, and the car is road-ready and fun to drive. Though over 90% complete, it needs a few finishing touches.
The rear seat requires reupholstering, some door hardware is incomplete, and the dash cluster needs replacing.
There is also a minor oil leak. The car comes with receipts, photos, and full documentation of all work done.
Number 3.
1967 Ford Mustang, price $8,500. With under 50,000 original miles, believed to be genuine based on the original brake drums that were replaced, this car is in excellent mechanical condition and ready for the road. It features a smooth and reliable V6 engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, which has been fully rebuilt to ensure flawless operation. The car also boasts a new carburetor, new brakes, and brand new tires that have less than 20 miles on them. The Mustang's exterior is finished in a timeless white, complemented by a vibrant red interior. The cabin is clean and well maintained, with only minor wear visible on the driver's seat, reflecting the car's age and care over the years. While the exterior could benefit from paint restoration to achieve showroom quality, it remains a solid and appealing vehicle that can be enjoyed as is or serve as an excellent platform for further restoration.
Number 4.
1964 Chevrolet Bel Air, price $8,500. This car is a clean, rust-free classic with a solid floor and trunk. Finished in burgundy with a partially completed red interior, the car includes all necessary interior components, such as door panels, seats, and trim, ready for installation. With 50,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission, it's powered by an SBC 350 engine with gear-to-gear timing and a 350 turbo transmission.
Recent upgrades include rewired twin electric fans with a relay and temperature sensor, a 3-inch aluminum radiator, and fresh oil and antifreeze.
It sits on 14-inch Dayton rims and starts effortlessly every time. This Bel Air drives exceptionally well, with paint in great shape and only minor work needed to complete the interior. The front windshield has a crack but is sealed to prevent leaks.
Number 5.
1985 Maserati Biturbo, price $3,800. Features a black exterior, brown interior, and a manual transmission with 85,000 miles. It runs but stalls when driven, as it runs rich. The carburetor needs tuning, there's an oil leak from a hose, 3 exhaust bolts are missing, and the right front brake caliper leaks. Key repairs already done include new hard brake lines, a new clutch master and slave cylinder, and a fully replaced rear parking brake. While the car has some rust on the front fenders and bottom of both doors, the underside remains rust-free. The paint is in good condition, and with carburetor work, it could be up and running in a weekend. It will need to be towed, but when fully functional, it offers a fast and fun driving experience.
Number 6.
1995 Mercedes-Benz S320, price $3,999. It has 116,000 miles and features a black exterior with a gray interior.
It's powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, and everything is original, including the bulletproof windows.
The engine and transmission are in excellent condition, and the car is clean inside and out, with only minor rust on the front fenders, typical for a 30-year-old vehicle. Recent updates include a new battery, alternator, and front shock bolt, joint, and link replacements, as well as a new transmission line and housing. The car runs well, with the heating and AC systems working properly. However, it will need new brake pads and rotors soon, and the central locking system may require a fuse replacement. The O2 sensor is throwing a code, but it doesn't affect drivability, and the car doesn't need an emissions check due to its age.
Number 7.
1967 Ford Galaxie 500, price $6,500, with just 53,700 miles on the odometer. The car runs, drives, stops, and shifts smoothly, featuring a rust-free body with only surface patina rust and no holes. It's equipped with a 289 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed cruise-o-matic transmission. The car has several upgrades, including a brand new Holley 600 Street Warrior carburetor, an Edelbrock intake, and shorty headers installed in 2023. Additionally, it has a Pertronix ignition system, an aftermarket high-output electric fan, and new tires. The exterior is finished in a green color, while the interior is black, and the car runs on gasoline. While it has some minor imperfections, such as a non-functional gas gauge, though all other dummy lights and gauges are operational, the car is in great condition overall.
The headliner is original and could use some attention, and the heads may need new valve seats, but this does not affect the car's drivability. The car comes with a clean title in the owner's name and 2 sets of original keys. Number 8.
1988 Lincoln Town Car, price $4,200, with 148,000 miles on the odometer. It has only been driven 8,000 miles over the past 5 years, making it a well-preserved car. The exterior is finished in a classic brown color, while the interior remains in very good condition, offering both comfort and style. This car features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It is equipped with new white tires, and several recent upgrades have been made, including an oil change, new oil pressure sensors, a new starter, and a modern radio. These updates ensure that the car runs smoothly and reliably, making it a great option for anyone looking for a luxury ride with a solid history of maintenance.
Number 9.
1968 Ford Mustang, price $8,500. It has 62,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a 200 CI inline-6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in sleek black, complemented by a black interior. The car has been restored to 95% of its original condition, with all OEM pieces available to complete the restoration, including door handles, locks, trim, Ford and Mustang emblems, steering wheel, rubber seals, and door panels. It runs and drives well and is ready to be driven, although it could use a little TLC. The car has a clean title and has recently been inspected. With its low mileage and clean title, you won't find another Mustang in this condition at this price.
The title is signed and notarized, making the purchase process hassle-free. Number 10.
1954 Chevrolet Bel Air, price $10,000. It has traveled 61,000 miles and is powered by a 235 CI engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission. The car is in very original condition with only one older respray, which is starting to show its age. The exterior is finished in a blue color, complemented by a matching blue interior. The car runs and drives great, and the underside, floors, and rockers are all in excellent shape. The current owner is the third person to own the car, and recently, the carburetor was fully serviced and rebuilt.